inorder niya daw lahat ng military officers from high-ranking general up to the lowest ranking soldier ng PLA. Inorder niya po lahat ng cellphone nila na i-check ng kanilang gobyerno at para daw po malaman kung meron silang leak information at kung sila'y connected dito kaila General Zhang at General Lu Zhenli. So, yun nga, he was saying here, there will be a massive purge of high-ranking officials hanggang sa pinaka-lower rank ng military officers of the PLA. Matinding information na nakalap po natin online. PLA or the People's Liberation Army ng China ay under level 1 combat readiness. At po ang ibig sabihin nito, there is a high chance of an growing international tense situation of a foreign war that is getting to start.